Level 3 Foundation for Higher Education Studies. Foundation Computing Text to Presentation presented by Amin. OTTM ID 220215033. Unit number DY617/3716. Internal components of Central Processing Unit. Any computer system processor, often known as the Central Processing Unit (CPU). The function of a CPU: fetch. Each instruction has its own home in memory. Decode all of the programs that must be run are organized is assembly order. The functions of a CPU: execute, data transfer from one memory region to the next, and address switching are all operations that a CPU may perform at the same time. Store. After an instruction has been performed and its output data has been recorded in memory, the CPU must provide feedback. The functions of a CPU. Introduction to the Central Processing Unit CPU of PLC. Pressure module, power supply, CPU memory, communication interface, discrete I/O devices, and analog I/O devices. How computer hardware components work together. The motherboard, power connections, and data linkage are the system components that connect the CPU to the rest of the hardware. On the motherboard, everything is integrated. The components on the motherboard are what make everything operate. Different types of storage mediate their purpose. Random access memory (RAM), hard disk, optical disk. Different types of storage media and their purpose. USB flash drive. It is a data storage device that incorporates a flash memory and a built-in universal serial bus interface. Computer storage device. How data is presented in computer systems. It's the framework for storing, processing, and transporting data inside an organization. Data is stored in a digital format that can process in all electrical devices. How encryption can be used to represent data. One technique to decipher text is to use a keeper without a decryption key. Each letter is shifted to the left by a set number of points, leaving the data unintelligible. While the keeper is easy to crack, there is more secure encryption available today. There are two forms of encryption: symmetric key encryption and public key encryption. How images and sounds are represented in computer system. Similarly, photos are converted to binary so that They may be processed by a computer and displayed on a screen. Pixels are the fundamental components of digital pictures. Binary numbers make up each pixel in an image. How, how compressions can aid the storage of data, images, or sounds. Additional processing power and storage space are essential for a computer. How compression can aid the storage of data, images, or sounds. Image compression reduces the size of a graphics file in bytes without sacrificing the image quality. The dynamic range or the difference between the most powerful and midest recording is reduced when audio is compressed. Purpose of logic gates: because it is understood to function in a certain manner. A logic gate is the fundamental building block of an electrical circuit. Purpose of logic gates: sensors, computers, plant, pressures, temp, or microcontroller. The purpose of different types of computer network. Local area network, LAN. It is a network that provides connectivity to digital devices that are placed in a confident geographical region. The purpose of different types of computer network. Wide area network. The purpose of different types of computer network. Peer-to-peer, P2P networks allow computers to share resources with other computers on the network, making it easier for them to collaborate. Hardware, software, and transmission media used in computer networks. To connect computers, you will need networking equipment. A router, for example, joins many networks together. Range of World Wide Web technologies. Uniform resource locator. A browser allows a user to find information using a URL, which is the internet address for any website. Hypertext transfer protocol. It is a collection of protocols that govern how computer pages written in HTML communicate with one another. Purpose of different types of computer network topology. Mesh topology, star topology, bus topology, ring topology, hybrid topology. Purpose of different type of computer network topology. Ring, mesh, star, full connected line, tree, bus. Thank you.